this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something from Brazil. This is Nissin Miojo Cremoso with their Carne com Chilli. So it's basically spicy meat, or spiced meat. Their stuff usually ends up being on the thicker broth side, more saucy. Yeah. So, what are we doing? We got this noodle block and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes, starting now. 1, 2, 3, there we go. So let's get it pushed down in there and turn that down a little bit. Yeah, so what's shaking with all you nice folks out there? At least if you're one of the nice people. Not much here. Actually, something weird just happened. So, as most of you know, I got a couple kids and a wife and had a dog. So my son's at school, my daughter's home. We go out and we do all this walking and stuff in the morning and hang out. Weather's kind of crappy today, so we ended up cutting our walk short, which actually worked out just fine. So do lunch, and then it's time to go take a nap for her. I walk in and I notice we've got like a cam, you know, like a baby cam kind of thing. Well, it's moving. So I text my wife. I'm like, "Hey Kit, are you like looking at the camera? I mean, it's all good, but it's just kind of weird. The camera's moving." She's like, no. So I'll have to ask. I don't know that anybody else has access to it, or maybe they do, and it kind of creeped out my daughter. She's only 2, and she could tell that Papa was like, what's going on? So, she didn't want to come back in the room, and I got her back in, and she's like looking at it and pointing at it, like, Papa, turn it off. I'm like, okay, so I unplugged it. But yeah, that's weird. I wanted to do a firmware update. I'm wondering if that had something to do with it, but I don't think so. Or maybe it was in a tracking mode, but what it was doing was it'd be looking this way, and then I'd move a whole bunch, and then it would like stop at me, and then it would go way over here, like directly at a wall. It was really strange, and it's like I don't know. And it seemed almost like it was pointing at me again, but it's almost like it was doing the same little path. It's one of those Wise cams. They're kind of like the Nest cams. It's rad. It was like $28 on Amazon, but I think there's probably a technical explanation for it rather than like somebody really wants to watch me read Cookie Bot, Pizza Pat, and Time for Bed Elmo to my daughter. I really don't. If they're really that into my children's greatest hits of screaming and yelling and carrying on in the evening, you know, they're more than welcome to that, I guess. But, you know, just ask and I'll send you a CD of screaming and yelling and carrying on if that really floats your boat. But I don't honestly think that's the case. That'd just be so weird. I don't know. Very odd. I mean, I guess it's technically possible that there was some kind of hacking that went on for that, but I don't know. In a way, if that was the case, I'd be slightly honored. Because that's just really, really out there. Like, really? You think we're that neat? Cool. Thank you very much. So now you just put the little sachet in there and give it a good stir. Give it a good stir it all up. And then And stir it some more. It's all gooey and gloppy and funky. It's smelling like what do you call it? It's smelling more bean than meat currently. And there's one that just like totally it was one of the Monica's gang ones. Monica a la Turca, I think that's what it was. There's a comic strip down in Brazil. I've had people send me a lot of neat Brazilian varieties. This stuff just doesn't want to loosen up. It's just sticking to the fork. Huh. Huh. My fork's been hacked. What the fork? Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's kind of a very saucy. I mean, the amount of liquid left is so small that it's definitely not a broth. If you want to call it a broth, you can, but that's bad form. Oh! Oh, I'm sorry about that. I just want this stuff that's sticking to my fork to come off because I don't want to take a bite and just get like... Here we... kinda. I don't want to get like ultra seasoned. If that makes sense. I might just have to get a new fork. I said I might just have to get a new fork. I hope not. That's wasteful. I don't like to waste forks. But yeah, that was weird. And last night I got a Bang energy drink shot at Winco. I've never done any of that 5-hour energy. I actually went on Bang's website because I'm doing like this workout gunk now. If you knew me, or if you do know me, you know that's like not really my wheelhouse. It's kind of like, wow, what's old Hairball doing? What's up with that? Everybody used to call me Hairball. But anyways, yeah. And I looked on Bang's website. They have got all sorts of workout, pre-workout junk. They had one called Bang Therm IQ, and it's got all these warnings. Like, if you take it for maximum results, take it for 56 days and then take 4 weeks off. Do not take for more than 56 days in a row. Whoa, what's up with this stuff? Alright, let's give this a try. The more saucy part. Yeah, there we go. First off, like the guy told me a while back, it says carne con chili, but the chili part, he said that the people in Brazil just really aren't into spicy food. And if that's the case, this is definitely agreeing with that. Alright, let's get this a little settled. Although I'll say it's definitely a unique flavor. It definitely, I'm getting a lot of bean. Like, almost like kidney bean. I don't know. Unique. And on the image, on the front of the package, like the serving suggestion, I don't know if you can see it, but the only thing added is one piece of cilantro. Like the tiniest little piece of cilantro. So that's what I'm doing. That's quite a suggestion. If it's even that, it might be what do you call it? Parsley. But yeah, let's do this up right. Let's have a party. Here's one tiny piece of it. Going right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Gonna go down like this. Let's rotate. Let's just hang out and rotate. You know? Why not? I don't even know what kind of music that is. Ooh, my face fell off. It fell down the toilet. I don't want you to steal my little bags of cheese. My bags of cheese are for me and me alone. I like my cheese. I like my cheese every day. Feed me more cheese. Oh yeah. I'm getting backed up. You know what cheese does to your colon. You need to poop, but you eat too much cheese. Poop your cheese. This has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.